The albatross is a captivating bird that starts with the letter A. Found in oceans across the world, it is known for its impressive wingspan, making it one of the largest flying birds. Albatrosses are exceptional long-distance travelers, gliding effortlessly over vast distances. They have a strong connection to marine environments, often following ships and feeding on fish and squid. Sadly, these majestic birds face threats from pollution and fishing practices. Conservation efforts are vital to protect their dwindling populations. Please like and subscribe.